I'm dipping in my Civic. I'm bouncing in my Civic. I'm riding in my Civic.
Alright, what's up, y'all? So, like, as we seen in the last video, we didn't really get I gave you my my outlook on how I felt about doing the whole video thing, or making a video, or making a whole nother channel. So I thought I would just go ahead and explore the option of making a new channel. So as you can see right here on the YouTube, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go up over here and you're gonna click on your little icon and you're gonna click on the settings button, YouTube settings. That is in turn going to bring up this page you see. There you can see that it says see all my channels or create a new channel. So from there, as you can see, I have LS Chevy Rod 254, that's me. I'm not exactly sure what a brand account is. I'm gonna have to look a little bit off into that. I believe that's for my, I think that's something from Google that kind of merged with my stuff. So if I was to create a new channel, boom. To create a new channel, create a brand account. So let's say that we were going to, so I guess we got to create a brand account. So my brand account would be, I guess, just me. Who I am. I'm Young Jody 254. You know what I'm saying? And that's not no fake shit. I got that shit tatted right here on my arm. I don't know if you can see that shit. Young Jody, and then it get kind of crispy down there because I'm black. So that ain't no shit I just made up off the top of my head. Young Jody 254. Young Jody 254. That's me, Jody. So that would be the brand. Create the brand account. So click create. And I know I said, I was like, oh, well, you know, let's get the feedback and all that, but you know, I think I'm gonna just go ahead and pull the trigger and make this channel, and then just go from there. Customized channel. Shit, that was fast. Hold on, 0 subscribers. So, you know what I'm saying? We will basically be starting from the bottom again. Damn, I messed up. I messed up my name, yo. It need to be Jody. I was gonna say Young Jody or Young Jody 254 or Love by Few, because that's my PlayStation gamer tag. So I think that we need I think we need to back up a step. Alright, boom. Edit on Google. Alright, so I'm gonna bring out the account so y'all know that it's real. Boom. J Duncan, Love by Few 254. That's my gamer tag. So we want to make sure that we get the brand or whatever. It's gonna pretty much go all the way. So Love by Few 254. So boom. Okay. So I'm guessing that's it. Now we can go back to manage account. Oh no. Take that back. Okay, so now we're gonna refresh this. And we have 2 channels now. We have Love by Few 254, and we got LS Chevy Ride 254. So that's the new channel, y'all. Love by Few 254. I don't know if we finna go ahead and rock with it and get it active like that. After right now, you know, we really focusing and grinding on doing this. 9 times out of 10, what I'm gonna do, man, until we hit 1,000 subscribers on the other channel, on this channel, LS Chevy Ride 254, we probably not gonna get that thing over there popping. In the background, I will be preparing to launch it, but it won't be for real until we hit 1,000 subscribers on this channel. So, or I might, you know, I won't put it all the way on there because this is something that I want to do, and I know that it can be different. You know what I'm saying? A lot of the things that you do in life, you know what I'm saying, you might receive hate or flack or, you know, whatever, basically just because, you know what I'm saying, you're doing what you love and all of that stuff. So I'm gonna say 1,000 subscribers or my birthday, whichever comes first. If my birthday comes first, which is in August, then I'll do it then. If we hit 1,000 subscribers before then I'll be well. As y'all know, let me show y'all these numbers one more time, because like I'm fucking double salute to y'all. Like if I had 2 hands, like I would double fucking salute. Like you look at these analytical numbers, dog, and you see that y'all out here, y'all watching the videos, y'all showing the love, bro, and I appreciate it more than a motherfucker. You see that? Last 28 days, 119 subscribers, dog. So where we at? We 640. On the way to 800 with this swap play giveaway. You know what I'm saying? I gotta go ahead and get them ordered next week. The love is real, man, and y'all really showing support and shit. So while it's easier for me to make a YouTube channel for the game and shit and keep it separate and just keep this shit right here pure for y'all, man, that's kind of why I want to do it like that. I'm still gonna drop videos, as you know, right now they be every week. You know what I'm saying? As we get off into these bills, they're gonna slow down because, you know, we're gonna be making progress and possibly even making high quality videos. So, you know what I'm saying, they might be 1 or 2 a week, you know, give everybody a chance to, you know, pick up and everything like that. And I'm just telling y'all that, so it's the real. There won't be no shock. You know what I'm saying? Shit might slow down. Y'all know that I'm finna, or that I just started finishing school. So I'm in the process of looking for a job and shit on top of my already job that I have as a photographer. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to run up the check. That way, if I got more money, then my projects can come along as well. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not the type of dude that's gonna be like self-sufficient and, you know what I'm saying, start GoFundMes and shit for my Chevys. Like, if I want something, I'm gonna go out there and I'm gonna work for it. I'm gonna work hard and I'm gonna earn my keep. You know what I'm saying? So that's why church. That's why, you know what I'm saying, I do what I do so that I can give back, or I can make it to where I work for it. You know what I'm saying? You can't say that, oh man, LS Chevy Ride 254, man, he over there begging for change to get his Chevy together. Like, nah, bro, that won't never be me. You know what I'm saying? I'm working for mine. So if you want to support, you can go buy the shirts. That money going toward the channel. But like I said, my mindset, I'm not depending on that. I'm just gonna go get the bag. You know what I'm saying? So that's coming. You know what I'm saying? So once I start working, then for sure. I mean, we'll still be chilling and shit. You know what I'm saying? Y'all still my guys. You know what I'm saying? And girls, couple of y'all. Not many, but you know, appreciate y'all too. So, yeah, man, that's just where I'm at, thought-wise. New channel coming, primarily for gaming, because I don't want to bring the gaming stuff over here. You know what I'm saying? What we have built, because I mean, some people do that, like, oh, well, you know, if you get 3 different categories going on a channel, then of course all your numbers gonna run up. You know what I'm saying? You get 1,000 subscribers quick because you got so many from, you know, different little niches. You know what I'm saying? We know we LS Swap Automotive right here. So, and that's it for the most part. Ain't nobody came over because the photo videos. Shit, I'ma just keep it G. Ain't nobody came from that shit. That shit done came from LS Swap, and these LS Swap play giveaways, and y'all grinding and pushing the word around, and that's who I am on this channel, is LS Chevy Ride 254. So yeah, so I really don't want to dilute this channel, and I know it seemed like I've been went back and forth. I'd have made another channel and shit. Know what I'm saying? That's because I want this shit to stay pure. We done built this shit from the ground up. I done seen this my baby. You know what I'm saying? I done seen this shit grow. Like, I'm real live. Like, look at this shit, bro. I'm tracking these numbers, bro. When I had 432 subscribers in February 18, bro. I'm tracking these numbers, bro. When I had 266 videos, bro, in February. And here we are. Let me show you. Here we are in fucking April 25th. And I got 393, almost 400 fucking videos, bro. I'm for real with this shit, bro. I'ma grind and I'ma get it. If I want to get to 1,000, if I want to get my watch time hours up, I'ma do that shit. And I'm not gonna wait for no motherfucking handouts. So I know this kind of went longer than expected, but now you see, if you want to start another channel, you know what I'm saying? And that's another thing, man. I'm not really one to follow no road, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't feel like you can put me in a box. I feel like, you know what I'm saying, if I want to do it this way, that's cool, but if not, I know the connection that I have with my community right here, my LS Chevy Rider 254 fam. But I also know the potential and the other things that I like to do. Cause I'm not gonna lie to you, I'm not no mechanic. I'm not working on car 24/7. I'm doing other shit. Sometimes I'm playing the game and shit. So, you know, I just feel like that's another outlet for me, bro. When I feel like doing that, I can do that. And then I can still interact with the people of the world. So I'm sorry, I just got a little bit motherfucking emotional. You know what I'm saying? Cause I love what the fuck I do. You know what I'm saying? I love what the fuck I do. So, what I'm finna do, I'm gonna hop out this bitch. I'm gonna leave y'all with the slogan, identify your weaknesses and make them your strengths. And that's it, bro. New channel coming soon. It ain't gonna be shit like this, but like I said, it'll be the gaming shit. If you want to come fuck with me on the gaming shit, go find me over there. You know what I'm saying? That's all I gotta say. LS Chevy Ride 254. Signing out. Gone.